What is anxiety? Anxiety is not arte. Hindi siya simpleng pag-overthink lang. Minsan tahimik lang sila. Ngumingiti, nakikipag-usap, pumapasok sa work, nakikisama. Pero sa loob nila, may laban na hindi mo nakikita. Anxiety feels like you are in danger kahit wala namang obvious threat. Yung dibdib mo biglang bumibigat. Yung isip mo hindi tumitigil kakaisip ng worst case scenario. Yung simpleng bagay parang sobrang bigat gawin. It is exhausting. Nakakapagod magpanggap na okay ka. Nakakapagod i-explain yung nararamdaman mo lalo na kung hindi nila naiintindihan. Minsan, ang kailangan lang nila is understanding. Hindi advice, hindi sermon. Hindi mag-pray ka lang or huwag mo kasi isipin. Kailangan nila ng taong makikinig. Yung hindi sila i-judge, yung hindi sasabihing okay sila. Please be kind. You never know who is silently fighting anxiety every single day. A simple, okay ka lang ba? Can save someone. A little patience can mean everything. Mental health is real. Anxiety is real. And their struggle is real.